In today's video I'm going to look at the Havit mechanical keyboard and mouse combo kit. It's the HV-KB389L, the UK layout. So if you're looking at buying one and you want to know what it's like and what it can do, then you're in the right place, so stick around. Okay, so the mechanical keyboard, it's USB powered, it installed in no time at all. It's compatible for Windows 2000 XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8 and 10. It's got 14 different coloured backlight modes, but they've all got different names. I won't bore you with that. I'll leave them in the descriptions down below so you can check them out for yourself. It's in the instructions as well. There's also a backlit recording option where you can customise a few different keys to be the colour that you like them to be, and then you can black out the rest of them. Okay, now the mouse has 6 gears of speed from 800 to 4800 dpi, and I gotta tell you, it's so much easier to be able to just press one button. It's the DPI button there to change the speed of the cursor. It's wonderful. The other button, the LED switch button, changes the colours. You've got 7 kinds of light effects on this one, and they've all got different names as well, but again I'll leave that in the description so you can see that for yourself. There's also 2 buttons on the left hand side where your thumb goes, so that's back button and the forward button. The scroll wheel, which also acts as a button, and obviously the right and left button up front. Okay, so the keyboard itself is made out of plastic. The top sheet is metal, and you can see some screws on the top left, and then there's a couple of screws on the top right, which I think is quite a nice little effect actually. Around the outside you've got a chrome plating which looks quite pleasant, and I do like the eagle logo on the side there. That looks quite nice. And there is a nice little wrist rest for you to click on, and it's quite easy to click off as well. Nice to have lots of different modes and customizable buttons. It seems like the lights are never ending. You can have it on whatever mode you like. The mouse mat here I'm using is the Steel Series mouse mat. It's an RGB one as well, but Havit do theirs as well. They do one that size, and they do one that covers the whole of the underside of the keyboard and the mouse. The keyboard length is 433mm by 124.5 by 35mm. The operating voltage is 5 volts and the cable length is 1500mm. Now let's go and have a look at the colour modes. Alright, so that's the main elements of this keyboard and mouse. That's pretty much all you can be using anyway. If I've missed anything out, then please let me know in the comments down below and I'll see if I can help you out. Now, I have used this in a couple of games and I'm pretty happy with it. To be honest, I don't do an awful lot of PC, laptop gaming. I'm a console gamer. I use the controller. So using the mouse and keyboard is quite alien to me. But from using this gaming keyboard, I quite like it, and I might try and see if I can teach myself how to do it properly. But in the meantime, it's console gaming for me. But I do like the keyboard and mouse. I like the way that it works. I can't get used to using the mouse to turn around and stuff. I know I'm going to get abused for this in the comments, but I know it's PC gamers and that's what I like doing. It's not for me. Okay, so if you haven't already, then please like the video. It really helps me move forward. And then subscribe to my channel. Then you get to see all the future content from me. Okay, so that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. Bye.